Welcome to another video. Um, this is documenting the installation of a new shed in our neighbor's property. The shed is the largest you can possibly have without getting a permit. It's 10 by 16. It's a wooden shed, and they brought it in by a crane um, from behind their property. There's a schoolyard behind the property, and the people who constructed the shed where they bought it from used a crane. And they brought it in on a flatbed truck, and they used a crane in order to lift it and um, install it into the backyard. You can see that they've put in a base for the shed. The shed is actually on skids, and it rests on this flat base, which they've dug down about a foot, filled it with coarse gravel, and then smoothed it off, packed it down, and they brought this crane in to lift the shed onto the patio. So there are some shots of the crane and the shed before they've putting it in, installing it. Now there's the crane connected to the shed, and you can see how tall it is. So getting it connected, I guess, properly is very important. Otherwise, something's going to break. And finally, I think they get it connected properly and start pulling it up. Here we go. You better hope you don't drop it, and you better hope that you don't run into that fence. So I've sped things up here a little bit, going 3 or 4 times faster than normal, but it's kind of boring otherwise. And so once we get it into the yard, then they have to turn it around so that the doors face towards the house. And all of their tools and other stuff is now currently in that tent. It's been there since they did their renovations. And so now they're lining it up exactly where they want it. And they do a pretty good job of getting it straight and parallel. If you take a look at that fence post, they line it up with that and the pad, and to get it pretty straight. Need 2 guys to help turn it, get it in position, and the crane operator lowers it down. I'm assuming that the fellow there is at the outside of the fence is giving them instructions.
You need a couple of guys to handle that. there's a
And here we go, lower down,
behind the tent.
get it in the right spot. Otherwise, you ain't moving that.
It's going to face that way, eh? No, it could face this way. Mm-hmm.
And we're down.
He's leaving that much space behind there?
You can see the tension is coming off of the ropes.
Oh, he could probably push it with the machine if he had to.
And we're going to disconnect everything. And we're down. Excellent job. It's quite the excitement next to us with all the construction that they're doing. They've renovated their entire inside of the house. Now they're doing the entire backyard, putting down in a patio. And this shed, we've been waiting for it for about 2 weeks. It's finally arrived. And there's the final installation, and the shed is down. So thanks for watching. Again, like the video, subscribe, and if you hit the notification button, you'll get emails for any new videos that I post. Like I said, I've got lots of videos from Japan to prepare, and from our latest cruise. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that installation of a large, very large shed in our neighbor's backyard.